Right, this is going to be the lift at what's
Nisbetts?
yeah, it's some sort of kitchen place anyway. It's an old Stannah.
Dodgy one because I was walking to the stairs.
Oh, relevelled.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
Oh, it takes ages.
Does take ages.
And I think it's from the 90s.
Yeah,
First floor.
I love that in the old Stannahs, like that.
Doors opening.
We're up at one. I don't know if two's open.
Joseph, no,
Nah.
what staff?
Doors closing.
I wanted to check just to make sure.
Lift going down.
Nobody's going to know.
Yeah.
Scary enough in here. To the chancellor.
Ground floor.
One more behind us so you can get the door.
Door
Capacity is
opening.
630 kilograms, 8 persons. It was installed in the 1990s, I think.
Door closing.
And there it goes, and that's it.